Hey, I'm Kenzie, but my real name's Mackenzie, and I want to show you my papa's house. So yeah, those are his horses. You can barely see them. He got 4 of them. I don't know where the other one is. And he got this garden. Horses can go in there. In there, they can go like walk through there. There's a gate over there, so they can go like right here, like where they are. And you'd love this track. Yeah, see it? Not very good to see. And you would love this. That's just my papa's, and we shoot on it all the time. Here, let me get closer so you can see it. And those are his tractors. And serious, I love this place. Bye! Hey, these are my papa's dogs, and I love to sing to them, and I will show you them. That one's Sammy, that really wants to go inside. And that one's Vicky, she's just looking at something, I don't know. Oh, and this is his house. Here, I will get farther. There. Oh, and this is his cat. And he has another cat that's called Krabby Abby. This one doesn't have a name. And there's his stuff, and that's a tree, and that's a tree, and that's things, and that's a wood. Oh, and you would love this. You would love this. So beautiful. And he got trees over here and horses. People go hunting. So, yeah. Bye.